This is the Desmond Show.
Where is she?
Oh, what are you talking about?
The woman, where are you hiding her?
There's no one in this house. What are you talking about?
Where is she hiding?
No one is in this house.
Why did you not take my calls?
Oh my god, because I was busy.
You were busy doing what? Did you not tell me we were going to work? Where are you hiding her? Tell me.
No one is in this house. Now,
No one is in this house, right? No one is in this house.
Dude, what's the... See, I can't tolerate all this thing any longer. What's the problem?
I have a problem now.
Oh my god.
Are you saying I have a problem now?
No, you know, I don't say you have a problem, but the problem is becoming...
I have a problem,
oh
right?
My god.
I have a problem now. You think I don't know where you're hiding her, right? Don't worry. I said, see, if I hit this show on your face, do you think I don't know where you're hiding her?
See, you're just giving yourself a for no reason. What are you talking about? I said there's no one in this house.
Where is she?
What? Wait.
Where is she?
Oh my god. Okay, now that you can't see anyone, do you want to apologize?
What is this?
What is what?
What is this?
What?
When did you start laying the bed like this?
Oh my god.
Since when did you start laying the bed?
I decided to do that today.
Since when? Since when I've known you, you have never laid the bed.
Then I can change. Don't you want to change?
What are you wearing?
Oh, a new boxer. I just bought this.
You just bought a new boxer. When did you start getting new boxers for yourself?
Oh my god. Why did you just want to scatter my brain? I don't understand. I just don't know what.
It's fine. It's okay. Come here.
What again?
Just come, baby.
Okay. I'm here.
I knew it! What? I can smell it all over you! You see, I can even smell it on your body!
God! Oh God! What is it again? God! Do you want to kill yourself?
Baby, you spoiled our bed. This is not the sound this bed was making this morning when I left home.
Ow!
Before it was making crack. Now it's cru that it's making.
Yeah? You even know the sound of the mattress?
Yes, I know the sound of the bed because it's my bed. What are you about to tell me now? After all I've done for you.
Calm down, it's okay. Just calm down.
No, let's hear your explanation. What are you about to say?
Hold on. Okay, listen. I got this new box.
The same way you laid the bed, right?
I want to change. So I'm changing. Like you always say. So, and I got you this underwear and I'm sure you're going to like it. Oh, you love it. It's for you, baby. You can go check it. I just want to make you happy, baby.
Baby, this doesn't look new. How can you do this to me? How can you do this to me? Look at this, is my size? Is it the same thing?
It's your size.
This is like 10 of my own.
38C. Your size.
That's all I've done for you. This is why you want to pay me back. You want somebody's brat. I do not get brat to the house. Stop!
It's okay. Stop. Okay.
So there's no girl in this house for real?
Nobody in this house now. You already know now.
So why are you not making me go through all the stress?
It's because you just want to kill yourself.
No, stop it. I was calling you. You did not pick my call.
It's okay. I was busy, baby. I love you.
MC Desmond Cares.